Already replaced my Raptor grill. Now I'm gonna show you. Let's go back to the original grill, how to take it out. There's just like the one that I was telling you before. There are two bolts that holds the panel, one here and then one on the other side there on the bottom. That's the only two bolts that holds the panel. Guys, we're here right now. I'm just gonna show you how is the removal of the panel. The panel I was talking about is the panel that sits behind the original grill. There is 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 at the middle. And there's this 3 clips over here at the bottom. It's just like a screw, but it's a cheap screw that holds these 3 pins. They are just plastic. The Raptor style grill that you're gonna get comes with the same thing, so I just reused the same clip. It was like this. Looks like a bolt, but it's just a cheap aluminum thing. So once you take those all out, there is just 4 bolts that comes with the Raptor grill. You're just gonna put them on the sides now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus the 3 clips. It's up to you if you're gonna buy different clips. What I did is I just reuse the old ones I have, and that's it. Enjoy your grill. And once you install it, you just go back the same process that you did when you took out the grill from the truck. All right, thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.